Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find Air Arabia promo codes in 2025. So I'm going to give you two different methods that would be very helpful for you. In the first method, you will have to come to the official website of Air Arabia, and here on the home page, you just have to try to find if there is any deal, coupon codes or any offer is going on, so that you could avail that offer and you can just find the best discount for yourself. In the second method, you just have to simply search for Air Arabia promo code 2025, and here you will see a bunch of different websites that will be giving you the promo codes. So you just have to simply open these websites one by one in a new tab, and after that you just have to hop on to them one by one so that you could see what they are actually offering. You will see that web exclusive offers are also given by the official website of Air Arabia, so open this as well. Now once you are on these websites, you just have to simply take a look at what they are offering, and you can just simply activate the deal over here from here, and you can just avail this offer. And since we opened the official website of Air Arabia, here you can just see this 10% discount, which is a limited time deal. It is only for 48 hours, and this is the promo code that they are actually giving you that can save you up to 10%. So you can just try this offer, and you can just also read the terms and conditions and the applicability of this particular coupon code. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.